This is Sam. Sam uses the internet just like the rest of us. Lots of apps she uses seem to be free, but they actually come at a cost. She knows the internet isn't very secure and strangers own her data.
All right, easy enough. Let's do how to set up your MetaMask wallet. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here to help you make sense of dollars. Our mission is to help you get out of debt and build wealth. So this time around, we're gonna switch it up and do a how-to tutorial with MetaMask. It is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Say you already have your Coinbase, Binance, or Gemini account set up already, and you're buying cryptocurrencies or have some NFTs, aka non-fungible tokens. So what is the purpose of MetaMask? Well, it allows you to store and manage your account keys, broadcast transactions, and send and receive Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies and tokens, and securely connect to dApps. Not talking about if you don't want to give a high five, so you throw them a dApp. dApp stands for decentralized applications. So where can MetaMask be installed on? Well, it's not going to be your Netscape or AOL. Actually, wait a minute, the 90s wants their browsers back. But in all seriousness, you can't install this on Internet Explorer or Safari. MetaMask is an add-on that can only be installed on Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and the Brave browser. In simple terms, you most likely would have Chrome or Firefox as an alternative browser. So first things first, let's use the Chrome browser. If you do not have that, I suggest downloading it. And then once you do, you go into the Chrome web store and you will find MetaMask in Home Extensions MetaMask. So to make it more easier, I'll have it in the links down below directly for you. There's already over 3 million users that have downloaded and used MetaMask. Now, on the overview, it'll explain what is MetaMask and breaks down how it enables access to Web 3.0, dApps, NFTs, and all that. If you want me to cover Web 3.0, sound off in the comments below, as it is definitely something worth sharing in this fast and ever expanding space. So you go all the way down to click accept to agree to MetaMask's terms of use. Obviously now you read this part before accepting. Now, this is when you go and create your password and then confirm your password and click for a new Ethereum account. Hold up. So say you're already using centralized exchanges like mentioned earlier, Coinbase, Binance, or Gemini. This is a new wallet, so say you buy ETH, aka Ether, aka the cryptocurrency for Ethereum, you can deposit your ETH here. Now, this account lets you send and receive ETH, ERC20 tokens, and allows you to deploy smart contracts. Really quick, an ERC20 token is a blockchain-based asset with similar functionality to Bitcoin. All right, this next part is important, as in write this down and don't lose it. So you can print out these words and hide them in different bank safes around the country. Actually, that is actually what the Winklevoss twins did when they first started investing in Bitcoin back in 2012. In all seriousness, protect your recovery key and do not lose them. So MetaMask will show you a 12-word recovery key seed. This is your master access key. You ever watch Captain America, Winter Soldier, and Bucky is activated by words? You got to protect it like that. The 12 words are the only way to restore your MetaMask account if you forget your password. So no, there's not going to be an email for you to reset your password. If you forget it and do not have it saved, everything in your wallet will be gone. So make sure to keep this information safe by writing it down, to even making note to who has access to the 12 words. In all seriousness, don't give anyone access. Make sure to note the order in which the words are shown. After you store the recovery key seed, safely copy it somewhere safe. Don't just print it out and then forget where you put that paper. So you'll have to spend a whole weekend looking for a random piece of paper that has 12 words, and then you find it, and then next thing you know, you're buying your wife digital cats, moon cats rescued from the moon. Anyways, that's it. You just created a new Ethereum address using MetaMask. You can find your address by clicking the 3 black dots and clicking copy address to clipboard. There we have it. Say you want to buy some NFTs in OpenSea, you can connect your MetaMask wallet and complete your transaction that way. Or say you have been buying NFTs from Nifty Gateway and you want to withdraw your Nifties from the platform so you can deposit it into your MetaMask wallet. Not really sure if Nifties is taking off, but it's definitely one to use. Basically NFTs, you could just say Nifties. Now, if you do want to deposit it back to Nifty Gateway, you will have to pay for the gas fees, and it will take a while for your Nifties to show up back in your profile. This is something I'm sharing on my own personal experience with withdrawing an NFT, which was easy and I did not get charged for gas fees. However, when I wanted to deposit that back into my profile in Nifty Gateway in the website, it's taking a while, it still hasn't shown up. Now, say you want to convert your ETH into your wallet to fiat currency. You will need your address from a centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Gemini. You're going to have to send your ETH from your MetaMask wallet to your Coinbase account. Using Coinbase as an example, you click on the option Send Receive and go onto the Receive tab. Make sure to verify the right asset you are receiving from. It defaults to Bitcoin, so you definitely want to change your asset to Ethereum and copy the address to your MetaMask wallet as the recipient. You can't put a Ethereum address to deposit into a Bitcoin address. So keep that in mind when you're doing different transfers from one wallet to another. Now you can send your ETH from your MetaMask wallet to your Coinbase Ethereum wallet. The same thing can be done in reverse if you want to pull out your Ethereum from Coinbase and deposit it to your MetaMask wallet. Remember, MetaMask is a software wallet. There are hardware wallets out there that you could use as a crypto storage option. One that I've used since 2017 is Ledger. If you want me to go over that for the next video, definitely sound off in the comments below. I'll give an in-depth review of what I think of it and other alternatives. If this was helpful for you, please definitely tap that thumbs up. Gently liking the like button helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and it definitely brings you good luck. Leave a comment on what are your thoughts and questions about having a MetaMask wallet, or just the overall thought for this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I go over videos about financial independence, the blockchain, and everything in between. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.